African Apostolic Church of Apostle of Africa, number 8, Jefferson Road, Logan Park, Hatfield, Harare. We invite you to the Vow District Holy Gathering to be held on Saturday, 14 August 2021 at Debonia Park Residencia. Vow, the sick are healed, Mark 16 verse 15. God is servant Ernest Paul Maja of Africa always says, conduct yourselves in a manner worthy of the gospel of Christ, so that whether I come and see you or remain absent, I will hear of you that you are standing firm in one spirit, with one mind striving together for the faith of the gospel. Kunyangwe ndisipo, ndinzwe kuti mumire nesimba muchirwira kutenda kwa evangeli. Philippians 1 verse 27. For more information, please feel free to contact the executives on their numbers emerging on the screen.